Are you experiencing lag or connection issues while gaming on your Spectrum internet? Optimizing your router settings, specifically NAT, QoS, UPnP, and DNS, can significantly improve your gaming experience. Let's break down what each of these settings does. Network Address Translation, NAT, manages how your devices connect to game servers. OpenNAT is ideal, enabling direct connections and reducing lag. Quality of Service QoS prioritizes gaming traffic, ensuring your game gets the bandwidth it needs even when other devices are in use. Universal Plug and Play UPnP automatically opens ports for games, simplifying your network setup. Finally, Domain Name System DNS translates web addresses into IP addresses. Using a faster DNS server can reduce latency. Spectrum's recent router updates, including those for Wi-Fi 6 models like the E31T2V1, offer improved support for these features. By understanding and tweaking these settings, you can minimize network interference and ensure a stable connection for smoother gameplay. Now, let's dive into how to configure these settings on your Spectrum router. First, access your router's settings by typing 192.168.1.1 into your web browser. The default login is usually admin and password, but check your router's documentation. To achieve OpenNAT, try enabling DMZ for your gaming console or PC, or manually forward the necessary ports like UDP 3074 for Xbox Live in the firewall settings. For QoS, prioritize your gaming device in the router's settings, allocating a higher percentage of bandwidth. Enable UPnP to let your console automatically configure ports, but be aware of potential security risks and keep your firmware updated. Lastly, change your DNS server to a public one like Google's 8.8.8.8's 8.404 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.0.1 in the WAN settings. Remember to restart your router after making these changes for them to take effect. For best results, consider using a wired Ethernet connection for your gaming console to avoid wireless interference. Following these steps can lead to a noticeable reduction in lag and a more enjoyable gaming experience.